This next iMachining operation, in Exercise 2 iMachining over bracket, finishes the bottom ledge on the underside of the part. Double-click on iRough Face Back Ledge in the CAM Manager to open the iMachining operation dialog. By clicking Show in the Geometry branch, we can see that two chains are defined, with the first being the stock boundary and the second being the bottom of the floor radius. The stock chain is marked as open, which specifies the tool should machine from this chain. Exit the Show Geometry dialog by clicking Cancel. Switching to the Tool branch, you'll see we are using the 1/2-inch diameter end mill for this operation. We can see that the milling levels have been selected in the Levels branch. We will use the default Technology Wizard settings with a machining level aggressiveness of 6. On the Technology page, we can see there is a minimal allowance on the wall and no offset on the floor. Now let's simulate our toolpath. Click Simulate to open the Simulation Control panel. In HostCAD, press Play. We see that the toolpath begins at the stock chain and collapses in towards the radius. The floor radius is not machined at this stage. Let's view the simulation using Solid Verify. Press play to view the cutting tool in 3D moving around the part until the bottom ledge machining is performed. Now let's exit the simulation and operation dialogs and view the next operation in the CAM tree.